Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. Here are the Crypto Top Headlines covered in this video. Ethereum inflation rises, threatens ultrasound money status, says report. Next, DeFi altcoin Aave is set up very well for next leg of the rally due to these factors, says investor Arthur Cheong. Also, Polymarket odds on who HBO will out as Satoshi Nakamoto favor Sassaman. Before we get started, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Ethereum inflation rises, threatens ultrasound money status, says report. Ethereum's inflation rate hit a 2-year high as Layer 2 solutions curb transaction burns, challenging its deflationary promise, according to a new Binance research report. Ethereum's inflation rate has surged 0.74%, raising concerns about its long-held ultrasound money narrative, according to Binance's October 2024 monthly market insights report. The research report indicated that the Ether issuance rate is at its highest level in 2 years, as reduced on-chain activity and lower burn rates shift the asset's economic status. The findings highlight a growing issue for the asset, which Vitalik Buterin co-founded. They cast doubt on a long-held assumption that ETH can maintain its deflationary nature. Layer 2 expansion decreases ETH burn. The rise of Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism has substantially impacted the on-chain activity of the Ethereum Layer 1 blockchain. These L2 networks process transactions off the Ethereum mainnet, lowering gas fees and in turn reducing the amount of ETH being burned through transaction fees. Ethereum Improvement Protocol, or EIP 1559, introduced in 2021, burns a portion of transaction fees, but the reduced number of mainnet transactions has led to a decline in the volume of burned ETH. Speaking with Cointelegraph, a Binance spokesperson explained that the Denkin upgrade led to the increased adoption of lower fee L2 solutions and slow ETH supply burn rate. They added, however, it's worth noting that Ethereum's inflation is still below 1%, and this should not be seen as a negative outcome. Its inflationary pressures typically increase during periods of lower network activity, but can revert to a deflationary state when activity rises. Ultrasound money narrative in question. The ultrasound money narrative, which positioned ETH as a deflationary currency, is questioned in the Binance report. As L2s cannibalized network activity throughout the year, further impacted by broader market conditions, transaction fees and consequently burned fees on Ethereum declined, with September recording one of the lowest levels since the merge. With ETH issuance now outpacing burns, the net increase in total supply has moved Ethereum further from its deflationary goal. Buterin's push for solo staking. On October 3rd, Buterin joined a community discussion on X and expressed his support for reducing the minimum ETH deposit required for solo stakers. Solo stakers run full nodes using private computer equipment without relying on third-party services, staking pools, or centralized entities to function. Currently, the requirement of locking up 32 ETH can deter wider participation on the network, but the ETH co-founder is supportive of dropping this number to 16 to 25 ETH to run a node. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, DeFi altcoin Aave is set up very well for next leg of the rally due to these factors, says investor Arthur Cheong. Venture capitalist Arthur Cheong believes that one decentralized finance or DeFi altcoin may be gearing up for a massive breakout. The DeFinance Capital CEO tells his 176,400 followers on the social media platform X that several factors are signaling bullishness for lending platform Aave. He suggests Aave's open interest, or OI, which is the total number of outstanding derivatives contracts for a given asset, may have bottomed after a large decline in the last month. Aave price is holding up very well despite the leverage flush on the perps over the past few weeks. 1. Open interest at 30 days low dropped by 50% compared to September 11th. 2. Funding rate negative. Set it up very well for the next leg of rally. A negative funding rate means there are more short positions than long positions on Aave, which some traders perceive to be a bullish indicator. He also suggests that former President Donald Trump using Aave for the launch of World Liberty Financial, his new DeFi crypto project, may be a bullish catalyst. If you tell me in 2020 we will have a former and potential future president of the USA supporting the launch of a separate instance on Aave, even the biggest DeFi bull wouldn't believe it. But here we are. We tend to overestimate the effect of a technology in the short run and underestimate the effect in the long run. Last month, he said, Aave appeared to be breaking out of a multi-year consolidation pattern on the weekly time frame. Aave is trading at the highest level since May 2022 and seems to be breaking out from a 2-year consolidation pattern. Expect all-time high, reclaim to further solidify DeFi resonance. Aave is trading for $148.88 at time of writing, up 7.4% in the last 24 hours. Our next top headline, Polymarket odds on who HBO will out as Satoshi Nakamoto favor Lynn Sassaman. Hal Finney and Adam Back have held the second and third spots since betting opened. Polymarket, a decentralized prediction market platform, currently has American computer scientist Lynn Sassaman as the odds-on favorite to be revealed as the legendary Satoshi Nakamoto by an HBO documentary slated to air on October 8th. The documentary, Money Electric, The Bitcoin Mystery, is the latest expose from filmmaker Colin Hoback. As Cointelegraph recently reported, Hoback and HBO are intimating that the film will ultimately reveal the true identity of Bitcoin's mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Neither Hoback nor HBO have made the direct claim that Money Electric will definitely answer the question of who Satoshi Nakamoto is. That being said, both parties have intimated as much in social media posts and the film's trailer. Speculation over who, specifically, could be revealed in Hoback's film has reached Polymarket, where a trading pool to determine who will HBO doc identify as Satoshi has reached a total volume of $389,738 as of October 4th, with 4 days to go until the October 8th reveal. While the usual suspects are present in the top 5, Hal Finney, Adam Back, Craig Wright, and Nick Szabo, the leading candidate appears to be a lesser-known suspect based on previous reporting on the matter of Satoshi Nakamoto's identity. Per the Polymarket betting pool, late American computer scientist Lynn Sassaman is the most likely person to be outed as the real Satoshi by HBO's upcoming documentary. Lynn Sassaman, it's unclear exactly what connection Lynn Sassaman, an American computer scientist who passed away in Belgium at age 31 in 2011, had with Bitcoin. A Medium post discussing the theory that Sassaman was Satoshi Nakamoto from 2023 claims he was renowned for his involvement in the cyberpunk movement. It adds that his contributions to privacy-enhancing technologies, academic background, and advocacy for open-source principles are well documented, aligning with the ethos of Bitcoin. Currently, the rules of the particular market indicate that if Sassaman is identified by the HBO documentary as being the primary person responsible for the development of Bitcoin, the market will resolve to yes. However, if there's another person or group of people responsible, or if Sassaman is identified as being equally responsible, the market will resolve to no. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.